the president has not called us for any sitting. The last time I got us an invitation to State House, I was there in last year. As Kenya Kwanza MCAs, we were in State House.
Yes.
To have a discussion with President. And in Jibunomo MCA Choria na UDA, I was in State House.
Yes. Now say
I have not seen any invitation from the President to us as MCAs to go to meet him, and then I decline.
Eyo kogenda State House buna aba MCA kurwase county ya Kisii.
That was an arrangement with Governor and Raila Odinga. Raila cannot call me for a meeting. He's not my party leader. I opposed him in 2022. I will never support his positions. That is me.
Igo mheshimiwa tari korangiria kwaringe president.
No. The president not send us any invitation. It is Governor Masimba who arranged about 200 people from various sectors, and they invited MCAs to accompany him to State House. In Jebuna Bozi, in Kamukana, they knew who accompany. What was the need?
Amagendero vale, whatever MCA, amagendero vale chukoi.
Amagendero koi.